Hello, everyone. So we launched a new feature today because carousel posts like these started to feel really, really boring now. The same kind of layout, everything looked quite similar, and there was no better way to display your information here. So we've launched a new feature. Let me show you how it looks. Let's just edit this post. Okay, so now you can add infographics to your carousel post, like you can see here. Um, you will just need to click on the configure button and then set the infographic layout, and then that's it. You have a grid layout right here. In case you want a cyclical format one, you can click on the cyclic one and it appears like this. Okay. Let's just quickly change this back. Increase the text size. There we go. Just so that you can easily, visualize this content. And in case you want to sort this content, you can simply click on the up button. In case you want to edit it, just click on the text field and add your text. And the text boxes will auto format themselves to fit in your added content. Okay. And we even added a quote card layout. Okay, you can do this. So the content start appearing like this. You might have seen these kind of layouts used by many influencers on LinkedIn and Instagram, and now you can use the same with a single click. Okay, the entire content was designed with our AI. Okay, so we've modified our prompts to analyze the topic or the text you provide or the article link, and then create the content in a way that's better visually represented. Okay. Let's just quickly create a post right now. Let's go for an image post. Okay, go with the AI, digital marketing trends. Let me set preset. Okay. So the AI created this content by itself using the context that we provided, digital marketing future trends, and it has added this layout. Okay. And now I can add my own custom template, make any sort of modifications like setting the font pairs or the text sizes. And it's better that if you have custom templates saved, you can have them applied here. And then you can modify further. If you go into configure, you can click here to disable the count indicator. Okay. And remove any element that you want from here, and if you, in case you want to set the roundness of the boxes, you can do this to set the roundness. Okay. So basically, now with clicks, you have control over the layout of your carousels. And now this feels like a much better way for you to represent your information. The AI is now trained in a way to know in which slide what kind of content should go in. So in case we create a carousel right now, okay, let's go the importance of emotional intelligence. Okay, sounds like a good topic. Create a carousel and see. Okay, so as you can see, the AI created this entire content and it chose the grid layout here for this slide to represent the information in a much better way. Imagine this, if this was in a bullet style, it would have been much harder to understand and comprehend. So this felt like a much better way to represent any information. And in case we want to add more, let's just copy this quickly here. And let's just make it a single row instead. Okay. Item, copy, paste, okay. Configure. Then let's remove this from two column into a single column. And that's it. Look how beautiful this looks now. Let me apply a custom template. Isn't this awesome? I remember I was on a call with a user when we first released this feature, and we both were jumping up and down because we were so excited by the AI. And that was actually the first time that this was generated with the AI on call with the user just 5 minutes after we released this feature. And now I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of content you create. Please share your carousel posts with us so that I can repost them. And thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing what you make. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.